Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that was sent to me and I was compensated to make this video from Amazon. So this is basically a car mount for your cell phone. It's Magsafe. You hook it up to your car vent and basically you can pop your phone on there and you're good to go. Super strong, one of the strongest magnets in the industry. And then the actual vent clip itself, which is super easy to attach and to connect to your vent. Let me just show you how that works. You just twist it. You can see how it extracts that hook. You pop that into your vent and then you just push it back in. And what that does, it grabs the actual vent and stabilizes it. That way you can actually mount your ring on here, the ring itself, like that. And then you can tighten this up and then you can adjust the pitch and yaw of the actual holder itself. Now the magnet itself, like I said, is super strong. I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max. You can see here, it's not going anywhere. Super strong, like I said, you can see that. What I like about that, you can do vertical or horizontal. It's like you see here, which I do like that. It slides nice and easy. That's a really good feature. So if you don't have a ring, or if you don't have a MagSafe phone, they also supply you with an applicator, a kit to install. So basically what you have here is a prep wipe and clean pad for the back of your phone. Once you clean that, you add this template to your phone, and then you adhere this metal ring to your phone to make your phone MagSafe. So that's what that is for. So simple enough. All right, let's get out to the car and show you how to do that. I got the whole thing connected, already attached. You want to extend that hook out as far as you can go. The idea is to attach it to one of these vent leads right here. You can see this vent right here. That's the idea behind it, okay? That's as simple as that. And once you grab it, you basically tighten it up and you're good to go. It's that easy actually to install. Let me just grab one. Let's see, I'll grab this one right here. I already grabbed it. Now I'm just gonna tighten it up. And when I tighten it up, it's gonna automatically lock it into place, just like that, okay? That is all locked in, good to go. Let me just show you, give you an idea. See how it's in the vent? You can see that, and you can adjust it. Once it's in here, you can actually adjust it. If you wanna push it over here, you can see you can adjust the area you want to be in. So I'm gonna put it right here. That's where I want it. And all you have to do to put my phone on is basically snap it on like I told you before. Just like that, horizontal, vertical. You can see here how easy it is to actually do. I love it. It's super strong. It works great. Here it's got how it opens up. You can see how it's clear through it, which is kind of cool. I like that. So you can see right through, which is nice. It's got a really cool design to it. I like this silver ring all around. I like the way this looks. And it works well. So that's the idea behind it. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope I showed you how to install and to use this high quality car magnet MagSafe for your car. Appreciate your time as always. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to follow for more. Thanks for watching.